Hello, first graders. It's Mrs. Davis here with your Patterns and Power grammar lesson. Remember, this week we're talking about the verbs of being. Our goal, I use verbs to tell it like it is, are, was, were, be, been, and am. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd. All right, friends, remember linking verbs. Those are our verbs that do not show action, but instead link the subject to the rest of the sentence. We have talked about is, are, and am. Today we're going into the past because those were all words that we use in the present, our present tense linking verbs. Today we're going to step into the past. Think about our past tense. First, what do you notice about my sentences? I was asleep. He was playing. We were not at school. First, let's think if we can find the verbs in my sentences. Sentence number 1, I was asleep. What is the verb in my sentence? I was asleep. I spy a linking verb. Do you? Very good. Was is the linking verb in my sentence. I was asleep. Now that sounds like it happened in the past, right? Was is our linking verb for when it happens in the past. And if we're using the word I was. Our next sentence, he was playing. What is the verb in that sentence? I spy a linking verb. Very good. Was is my linking verb again. He was playing. He. Oh, that sounds like a singular noun. One boy. He was playing. Sentence number 3 says, we were not at school. What's the verb in that sentence? We were not at school. Very good. Were is my linking verb. Were, taking place in the past. And remember, we, that sounds like a group, more than one, so that's a plural noun. We use were. So for our singular nouns in the past tense, remember past means it's already happened. We will use was as our linking verb. He was, she was, or if you use someone's name. These are for the past. He was reading this morning. Was is our linking verb because we have a singular noun, one boy. He was reading this morning. Doesn't sound right if we say he were. No, because there's just one of him. Yesterday, she was running. Was is our linking verb. It happened in the past, so we use was. Those are our singular nouns. We also have our plural nouns. Remember, those mean more than one. Our verb for the past tense, we will use were. Were. They were. That's a group. Or we were. Another group. More than one. They were reading yesterday. Oh, were, because we have a plural noun. Were is our linking verb. We were playing last weekend. Plural noun, we, more than one. So we will use were as our linking verb. Remember, we also need to think about when we use I and you. For the past tense, the noun I use the verb was when I'm using the word I. I was. For the noun you use the verb were. You were. For example, I was writing a fairy tale last week. I is singular. Was is my linking verb. You were eating dinner last night. Were. You is my noun. Were is my linking verb. All right, friends, so we've taken a look at our linking verbs that we use when we're talking about the past today. Was and were. Tomorrow we'll hop to the future and talk about be and been. All right, my friends, thank you for being good listeners. Miss Davis will see you all tomorrow. Bye.